To answer the question, why is there research in medicine? If you think about it, everything that we have as doctors started out from research, whether it's formal research or not, whether it's a guy just cutting dead people kasi gusto niya ma-learn yung anatomy, that's a form of research. So, and diba, the only thing constant is change. So, if walang research sa medicine, then can you imagine yung gagawin nating gamot ngayon is still what they were using in the past?
It was a huge stretch when I did my PhD because, you literally cannot predict what my schedule will be like next week. Kasi, for example, yung friends ko nung tatanungin nila, pwede ka ba lumabas nito? Para ang sagot ko nun ay, hindi ko sure kasi depende kung mag-work yung experiment ko this week. Ganon.
Regardless gaano ka small yung contribution ng research mo, as long as you're producing new data, I think that's enough. Kasi whatever it is that you're contributing something at least to push the boundaries of knowledge.